Bonus reading for May the 4th to May the 5th, Earth signs. Your cards are the King of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yung kaayusan unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng puwang 'no, dito sa relationship. It felt like medyo magulo dati, mahirap lang mag-adjust, merong mga siyempre yung mga pagbabago, hindi naman 'yan kayang gawin overnight. So, may mga little adjustments here and there, pero makikita natin, kahit gano'n medyo malungkot na hindi natin nagagawa yung mga bagay-bagay na katulad ng ginagawa natin. Pero hindi kasi natin alam yung puwedeng mangyari sa future with the Nine of Pentacles, wherein kung ikaw naman yung inaayos ng person mo 'no, um, be thankful kasi magkakaroon dito ng parang harvest 'no, makikita mo yung kaayusan, makikita mo yung pag-unlad 'no. I think someone here needs to listen. Puwedeng ikaw ito, puwedeng yung person mo. You can switch the energies, but yeah, what I'm reading is the dynamic. This is your bonus reading for May the 4th to May the 5th, Earth sign.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.